June the 2nd, 2021. Guys, you're looking at the National Data Buoy Center. It's one of the links on the left side of our website near the bottom. We've got an event going off. This is near the Cascadia fault zone in this area, very dangerous area on the planet. They say it's long overdue for an earthquake. Well, but this event now is kind of strange because if you click on it, it's showing almost 100-foot sudden rise in this area. That I don't know what that is, if it's a glitch or if there's been some type of undersea drop along one of these plates. I'm not sure what it is. It's station 46416. It is part of the West Vancouver system. It's 442 nautical miles west of Vancouver, British Columbia. And you can see where this is at offshore right there. But if you click on it, it's going to show you an extreme rise in a very short period of time, almost instantly. And what you're seeing is the buoy's cruising along here at 3,380 meters. And all of a sudden, right here, very quickly, we had a rise of nearly 30 meters. So you're dealing with almost 100 feet. So, again, I don't know what it is. There was a strong 6.1 on the opposite end of the ring of fire down in Fiji just a few moments ago. It came in on my earthquake watch system, and but that's down in this area, and it's on the opposite end of the ring of fire. No major quakes in this area right now are showing up at all. Not sure what's going on, but we've seen it happen before. Usually, though, it will be a sudden drop. But I want to take just a little closer look at this and some of the details on it. Again, these are charts that are a little faster in time. You've got 1 minute intervals that are in the blue line. 15 minutes that are represented in the blue line that you saw on the other page. 1 minute intervals in the green line and 15-second intervals in the red line. And you can see here how quickly that this thing rose and fell again from just under 3,380 meters to just under 3,410. So you're 30 meters, you're very close to 100 foot. Guys, I'm not sure what's going on on the Cascadia. Just keep your eyes on it. If you have any idea, say something about it, or if you know something going on in that area, let us know in the comments. Also, let's look at Hurricane Elsa for a moment. This morning, before it came across the Windward Islands, it was at 75 miles an hour Cat 1 hurricane, and the projection was at that time, once it encountered the Leeward Islands and Windward Islands, that chain of there, that it would slow down to about 60 or 65 miles an hour. It did just the opposite. It rapidly jumped to 85 miles an hour, and you can see right here, 85 miles an hour. Its movement is west at 30 miles an hour. Pressure's dropped to 991 millibars from 995. Remember, the speed was at 28 miles an hour. Now that's increased. The barometric pressure has dropped, and the sustained winds, again, 85 miles an hour. So what can we expect from the storm from here? It's going to be hard to say because it was really underestimated at this point, but they're saying 85 miles an hour tonight, 2 a.m. or in the morning, 2 a.m., 2 p.m. Saturday, 85 miles an hour. By Sunday at 2 a.m., it's slowing down to 80 miles an hour, and that's because it has some impact with Haiti here. Then Sunday, 2 p.m., 80 mile an hour storm. Monday, 2 a.m. This is ending the 4th of July holiday, which is Sunday. During that period of time, the storm will be crossing Cuba. Monday at 2 p.m. That would be the 5th. 65 mile an hour storm at Saying, and then remaining a 65 mile per hour storm as it curves around the Florida Peninsula and comes in north of Tampa. I said this morning that if this path holds true, then the north right quadrant of the storm will be on shore, and the left side of the storm will be pulling energy from the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico itself. Also, this cone, the yellow cone that you're seeing here, was a little further out into the Atlantic this morning. That's telling you most of the models now are curving back into the Gulf of Mexico instead of up the East Coast. There's still some chance of that, and we're going to keep an eye on it. What they've done is take all the models, and this is the average line. This is not the size of the storm. Let's take a look at that on the satellite images. Now, you've got an impressive Cat 1 hurricane on your hands looking at this. Now, if you look very closely, you can see the windward and leeward islands here. Again, it just busted right through there and accelerated by another 10 miles per hour instead of being downgraded by 10 miles an hour. It's going to track just along the south edge of these islands, again coming up into South Florida area in just a few days. Tomorrow, Saturday, guys, you only have 2 days to prepare in South Florida. Much less time than that in Haiti, Dominican Republic, Cuba. Looks like it's going to go south of Puerto Rico, guys, but this is the current update. I'll be watching it throughout the evening. If something drastic happens, a sudden rise in speed or anything like that, watch for an update coming. We're watching it. You watch it. Again, you guys up on the northwest coast, keep an eye on what's going on there. It's a heads up. Be safe.